Everybody's got a price. I wonder how they sleep at night. When the sale comes first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious, acting so damn mysterious? Got your shades on your eyes and your heels so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left, everybody look to the right. Can you feel like, yeah, we're playing with love tonight? It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about the ching, ain't about the bling, bling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. People killing, people dying, children hurt, can you hear them crying? Can you practice what you preach? Won't you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us, send some guidance from above. People got me questioning, where is the love me like you do? La la, love me like you do. Love me like you do. La la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do. Da da, touch me like you do. She will be loved. She will be loved. She will be loved. She will be loved. We need to take it back in time, when music made us all unite. And it wasn't low blows and video hoes. Am I the only one getting tired? Why is everybody so obsessed? Money can't buy us happiness. Can we all slow down and enjoy right now? Guarantee you'll be feeling alright. Everybody look to the left, everybody look to the right. Can you feel like, yeah, we're playing with love tonight? It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about the ching, ain't about the bling, bling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. She will be loved. She will be loved. She will be loved. She will be loved. Father, 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 help us, send some guidance from above. People got me questioning, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? The love, the love.
Well done, Keeleigh, well done. Louise, what did you think?
Oh, Keeleigh, do you know, I've got to be completely honest, I feel gutted for you, because that was nowhere near the standard that it was in the week in your lesson. You had it sounding so lovely in the week, and I tell you what the main problem was. There was a string on that guitar that was out of tune, and it threw your whole performance off. That's so important. If you're going to use an instrument, it doesn't just go for you, it goes for anyone in the competition that wants to use an instrument. You've got to make sure it's in tune, because it will throw everything off. But there was one, maybe even two strings that were out of tune in the guitar, so really pay attention to that in future if you're going to use the guitar. I said to you in the week, and I still, you know, stick by the same thing. You do need to work on your strumming pattern, because it's almost, it's really rigid, and it doesn't flow. So you do need to work on that. I know I tried to help you a bit and show you some strumming patterns and stuff, but that comes with time. I mean, you're self-taught, so as a self-taught musician, you know, it is hard, and it does take a lot of work to get to a standard where it comes naturally to you. But yeah, the guitar being out of tune really threw the whole performance. I mean, I by no means think it was the worst thing in the world. It wasn't. I love that, you know, you mashed up the songs and things like that. There was a little bit of gaps between each one. I wish it had flowed a bit better. But like I say, I'm just gutted, because I know how good it was in the week. But I know what you're capable of, and I just think, you know, next week you just really need to bring it. But well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, I agree with Louise. You know, when you said you wanted to do a mashup, I was really excited. You know, I thought, oh, this is going to be a really, really interesting performance, especially after last week where you showed us that you know, you're capable of writing songs. I thought this is just going to be yet another thing that she's going to, you know, pull out the bag and show us that she can do. And it's not that you can't do it. It was very creative how you took on 4 songs and you mashed them all together. But like Louise said, the guitar, it was just off. So it made your voice, it just didn't sit well with your vocals at all, and like Louise said as well, I think you need to sort of like enhance your guitar technique. You know, you need a little bit of guidance with your strumming so that it just adds to the song. But I mean, apart from those things, it was very creative. You did challenge yourself. You stepped out of your comfort zone. You showed us yet again that you are incredibly creative. So, you know, hats off to you. Well done for that.
Yeah, I think one of the problems is, Keeleigh, is that last week we actually thought, oh God, this girl has got something to work on throughout this process. And then this week, I mean, I kind of like the idea of doing like a mashup sort of medley thing. But I think there's a risk that you took that 100% didn't work. It didn't work from the get-go. If I was to advise you something from you, because to me now I look at you as a singer-songwriter from last week, you know, I actually thought that song had something really nice in it. So I don't know how much you want to do that, but if it was me in your position now, I'd be using this process to share my songs, to share what I want to do, and that's where I would go from here on out. I don't even think I want to hear you sing another cover. I want to hear your own songs, because to be honest with you, out of the performances we've seen so far, that to me is the only one that stood out. And that says something. Sometimes when you come across some artists, it just fits. When they do their originals, it just fits. So it's down to you. You've got to do what you want in this competition. If we got, you know, it's all about challenging yourself and things like that. But I just feel like your voice comes to life a little bit more when you're doing your own thing with a song, and when it's yours. I just felt something different last week. So that's what I would want to see again. And it's nothing wrong with you exploring into that more. It's, you know, it could benefit and help your songwriting skills and things like that. Use the process to your advantage as an artist, because obviously that part of you brought to us last week is obviously something that you want to do, and you did do it fairly well, so take advantage of that. Do you know what I mean? Well done.